What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, I was up at the flea market today, and when I was at the flea market, there was a guy that had a bunch of these bags. They were $10 a bag. And after looking thoroughly through every single thing they had, this was the bag I chose for this video purpose. Alright. There we go. Alright. Here is what I ended up with. It's really cool. I hit both versions of Batman. Here is the rounded ears. There are the pointy ears. I actually do a video on this. I got a Clicks dispenser. We'll actually open this in another video. That'll be kind of cool. I got a Two-Face. Candy Rose. Oh, bubblegum too. Wow, they really hooked you up. And I got emoji. Ooh. Can you see the IMC? I can't. Here, let's put it over here where I can see it. No, I don't think it's a made in Hong Kong. No, it is not. It's a China one. Oh well. We have a policewoman from the Heroes series. A lamb, or sheep, whatever you want to call it. Is this Phineas or Ferb? Great cartoon, great cartoon. And then there was this little jewel. And the reason I thought he was really cool is it's a metal head spring on a 3.4 Hong Kong. Focus. Excuse me, 3.9 Hong Kong. It was a little blurry, so that 9 looked like a 4, I guess. But yeah, usually you won't see these metal springs on those. But this one's sprung, as you can see. Looks like that piece is broken there. I don't know if we'll be able to fix this. We'll try to fix this. We'll see. IMC7. It is a no-feed dispenser. You can see the close channels there at the bottom. I knew it wasn't... I wasn't as lucky as I was on one of my previous chapters where I found the no-web Spider-Man. But I thought this was really cool because it offered the metal spring on the 3.9 Hong Kong. And I got some other cool items. Especially that. That's kind of cool. So until next time...